Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am painting on this tote bag. ये एक सिंपल ब्लैक कलर का टोट बैग है जो किसी भी लोकल मार्केट में इजीली अवेलेबल होगा। और आज हम इस सिंपल से टोट बैग को एक क्रिएटिव पीस में कन्वर्ट करने वाले हैं। The material I am using in this video are acrylic paints, brushes, palette and of course our tote bag. First I am sketching the design on this tote bag. बिकॉज स्केचिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वरना डिज़ाइन गलत हो गया तो पूरा बैग ख़राब हो सकता है। सो वन बाय वन आई एम ड्राइंग ऑल द लेटर्स। Now I am starting painting. For the base I am using white acrylic paint. Here one by one I am filling all the letters with white paint. Because this is a fabric तो 1 या 2 कोट्स देने पड़ेंगे ताकि कलर्स अच्छी तरह से सेट हो जाएं। After the letters I am filling this smiley face. Black and white is looking very simple, so let's add some colors. So one by one I am taking out the different shades of paints in the palette, like yellow, pink, red, green, blue and white. By using these colors I am making the outline on these letters. You can also try rainbow shades. Now, on the back side of the tote bag, I am drawing a cute smiley face, just like the front side. For the base, of course, I am using white paint so that the colors are visible. After completing the shape of a smiley, I am finishing the outline with black paint. Now comes to the fun part, adding colors. Here for the outline, I am again using different shades of paints like yellow, red, pink, blue, light green and more. After this, the back side is also done. So here's the final look. So this is it for today's video. Do let me know in the comment section below आपको आज की वीडियो कैसी लगी. Till then and take care. Allah Hafiz.